So today we went down to El Zonte, visited the Bitcoin Farmers Market, and met one of our followers in real life, which was super awesome. Not going to shout out your name because we didn't ask permission, but if you see us out and about, say hi. Like, it's so fun to actually meet people in real life that we talk to on here or who kind of know us through the internet. And for all of our friends and family back in Tennessee, where it is currently snowing a ton and feels like single digits, here's some of our view.